you are looking for a Nanny cam or spy cam with the high definition, 4K, be able to run on wireless to Wi-Fi, rechargeable, and deep sleep mode can last up to 100 days, continue recording 19 hours, or regular standby mode up to 7 to 20 days. I got the camera for you right here. Let's begin now. So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and today I have this pretty cool camera I'm going to show you in a second. This one includes an AI chip where detects human versus an object, like a car or a dog or something else. This is brand new. This is 2022, a cool upgrade added to this camera. I'm going to show you all those things right now. But first, remember to subscribe to MEDIABOXENT right there in the side, and notification bell, because next time I release another cool camera, it's going to help you into your next project. Leave a comment and remember to share this video between your friends. All right, so what we get first? So we get instructions. It's pretty simple. You need to download the app, but scan it right here, either Android or iOS devices that will be Apple phone. Includes an adapter type A to macro USB for the macro SD card, and cable macro to regular type A. And let's check the camera. So we see the camera right here, length 4K. Now, night vision, motion sensor, and it comes with this cool mini support, mini tripod with 3M sticker. It's cool because you can use this even at the dash cam. All right, it's pretty simple. We have an on and off switch, LED indicator when it's paired, and the reset switch. When it's like this, it's already recording, and you can turn it on and use this as a dash cam. Once again, now here we have the power coming in the macro SD card, where it becomes super simple to use. I love the resolution. By the way, the angle view is 160 degrees, so it's pretty wide angle length and real cool resolution. All right, so I want to show you the app. What I'm going to make it for you guys easy. I'm going to set up a screen right there in the side so you guys can see right there. Okay. All right, so we have the main screen right here. We can see the amazing resolution. We can get the screenshot, record, and we can do that right in the phone. We can manual, even we can put a super HD. Right there shows me the battery and the speed. Remember, it's a 2.4 gigahertz. So let's go back to the configuration. Oh, by the way, includes a 3-day in cloud service for free. Means every 3 days it will refresh itself. Okay, so that's pretty cool as well too. So why not? All right. So here we see the signal online, screenshot, and some of the things here. So I wanted to show you the power mode. So the power mode, whatever you want to activate it, always leave it as default. It guarantees you get more out of the battery. Now you can always plug it in and works all the time. Now they have in different modes. So a sleep mode between 7 to 20 days. If we have in continue recording, we say like 19 hours. In deep sleep mode, remember only records, you're not going to get any notifications. So that's pretty cool. You see all these things here, and I want to show you one thing. I'm going to turn that on and continue record, and now we can also select the area that we want to get notification. Maybe I want the left side, the right side, and that camera get activated only when people come from the left or the right side. So, and also we can see now human detection. For that, the benefit is only you get a message when human body pass by, and not when a dog or any other object, right? So you get a lot of faulty messages right on your phone, and I think that's one of the benefits on this camera. I'm super happy. I'm happy with the resolution, and you see that in the video. Amazing recording, and it's super portable. I mean, it's working. You can even use a spy camera. You can take that anywhere and create any kind of video. All right, guys, with this we complete this video. Remember, you need to grab one of these cameras right now for you. I'll leave you all the cool links right below this video. Leave me a comment and share this video between your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye.